Guys, it's Thomas here and welcome back to another tech video. By the way, sorry for the bad camera quality, my camera mic is being really obnoxious. Anyways though, today we're going to be discussing a few cool iMovie tips and tricks, including how to get green screen in iMovie, how to get picture-in-picture in iMovie, split screen in iMovie, and cutaway in iMovie. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so making a green screen in iMovie is actually pretty darn easy. You're going to, I just opened up a blank iMovie with a video of me. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit the plus button in the top right corner. You're going to select video or photo or whichever, wherever your content is. I'm going to select photo. And then my photo is in recently added. It's this one right here. And you can just select it by tapping on it. And you're going to hit the three dots right next to the plus button. And you can add either cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, or green or blue screen. So I'm going to go over them one by one. So for green/blue screen, you're just going to tap on green/blue screen. And there's our green screen. And then you're going to tap on the image that you just added, and you can click the adjust button, adjust the strength, and then drag the corners to take out certain parts of the image. So if I want to take out the bottom corner, I can just do this. I can modify which parts of the image show. The next option to add the image is a split screen. So I'm going to add it as a split screen. So as you can see now, half of the video screen goes to the added image and half of the screen goes to my face. And if I just tap on the overlaid image, then there's three options. There's a zoom, which I can move around the image. There is this little button which switches them up, whether they're split horizontally or vertically, and it will also switch the sides. And then there's this one button right below that, which is basically just a little bar that allows you, if you want to have a little divider right here, then it allows you to do that. Alright guys, I'd like to take a couple seconds to ask you to please subscribe if you're still here, and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified on future videos on this channel. Thank you so much, and remember, it's free and you can opt out anytime. Let's get back to your content. So the next option to overlay this image is the picture-in-picture, which if you've ever seen a YouTuber with face cam, that's what picture-in-picture is. If you tap on the image for options, you can zoom in and out. I'm going to zoom in right there. You can click on this. You can click these arrows to drag the image around, and you can also pinch to resize. So face cam right there. And then you can also click this little button right below that to add or remove a border to your picture-in-picture. The final option for an overlay is called cutaway, which basically is a basic overlay. That's all there is to it. And as you may have noticed, there is on the bottom, when you select your image, a little button that says overlays. This just allows you to switch the type of overlay without deleting the image and adding it back. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I did use images, still images for this example, but it works just as well on videos. So it's pretty simple, and that's all there is to it. Alright guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do go leave a like. For every like this video gets, Otis will be retrieving one treat. Proof on Instagram, link below. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.